And everybody's going to put a fork under their pillow tonight, right? Because we couldn't get anywhere from, we're right on the edge. We could get. All right, so what I want you to find from this is I want you to find the length of side LM. Write an equation, and then find x, and then find the length of side LM. Do I have information, enough information to find LM? Oh, yeah? No? I don't feel like I do. Okay, hold on. Let me figure this out.
I see it.
Oh, yeah. No. Hold on. Tell me, what side on the figure that has segment LM will match up with on the other figure? Which segment on the figure with the figure on the left matches up with segment LM for the figure on the right? GH. Everybody okay with that? Well, we don't, even with looking at the pictures, you can see LM is right here. And so it will match up with GH on the first quadrilateral. So LM equals GH. So that's going to give us LM is 6x minus 13. GH is 4x plus 3. Everybody good with that equation? Because there's LM, there's GH. Side LM matches up with side GH. Good? Okay, so Autumn, first step in solving for x. Add 13 to both sides. Second step.
You subtract 4x.
And we get 2x equals 16. So what's x going to equal? X equals 8. Now that we're not asked to find x, we're asked to find the length of segment LM. And so segment LM is 6x minus 13, so we're going to plug in 8 for that x. So 6x minus 13 is the same as 6 times 8 minus 13, which is 48 minus 13, or 35 what? Good. Okay. Everybody all right with that? The next thing that I want you to find for those two quadrilaterals is I want you to find the measure of angle H. And I believe we have enough information for that. Yep, we do. All right, so what angle, Karma, on the second figure matches up with angle H on the first? What angle on this second figure matches up with angle H on the first figure? M. Okay, so if you can't tell from the figures, then you look at how they wrote the congruent statement. See how they have quadrilateral GHJK is congruent to quadrilateral LMNP. H is in the second spot, so we know it matches up with M, angle M in the second quadrilateral. Okay, so we know H is 9y plus 17, correct, degrees, and M is 11y minus 1 degrees. So Taylor, what do I need to do here? Okay. And do what?
Equals 9y plus 17.
Plus 17. Okay. So Audrey, what do we do first?
I'm going to subtract 9y from 9.
And we get 2y minus 1 equals 17. Zayden, what do we do next? Add 1 to both sides. 2y equals 18. And then we're going to divide by 2, so y equals 9. That's not our answer. It doesn't say find y. It says what's the measure of angle h. So which one of these is angle h? 11y minus 1 or 9y plus 17?
9y.
Would it matter, though? Aren't they supposed to be equal to each other? After I asked that question, I was like, well, it shouldn't really matter because they are equal. So we're going to pick one, 9y plus 17, and we're going to plug in 9 for y. That's 81 plus 17, 98. 98 what? Degrees. So angle H, which also equals angle M, is 98 degrees.